knees are screaming and your lower back feels like it is locked in a permanent vice. You are hunched over the tub, scrubbing the same patch of grout for 10 minutes, and yet that orange soap scum refuses to budge. This is where most of us just give up and accept our fate. But lately, there has been a lot of noise about the electric spin scrubber from Leebein. It is essentially a power tool for your bathroom chores. Before you go trying to swap the heads, you have to remember one golden rule. Keep the power off. You do not want that motor kicking in while your fingers are anywhere near the mechanism. Most of these units use a simple twist and lock system. You grab the base of the brush firmly and give it a sharp turn counterclockwise. It should just pop right off. Some versions have a snap-in design instead. If yours is one of those, look for a little release button near the connection point. Give it a press and pull it straight away from the shaft. Once that dirty brush is off, you can just rinse it under the tap to get all that gunk out. Just let it dry before you tuck it away in the cabinet. Snapping a new one on is just as easy. Line up the connector and push it in firmly until you hear that satisfying click. If it is a twist model, go clockwise until it feels solid. You really want to make sure it is locked tight. A loose brush head will start wobbling like a flat tire once the motor gets up to speed. When you actually put this thing to work, the biggest win is the sheer amount of physical labor it saves. You are letting a motor do the heavy lifting on your tiles, sinks, and kitchen counters. It comes with a whole library of brush heads too. You have pointed ones for corners, flat ones for floors, and even softer attachments for glass. The real hero of this story is that extendable handle. You can reach the top of the shower walls or the floor behind the toilet without bending or kneeling at all. It is a total game changer for anyone with back pain or stiff joints. Plus, it is cordless. You are not tripping over a wire while you are trying to navigate a slippery bathroom floor. The battery usually lasts long enough to knock out a whole cleaning session in one go. Now, it is not a magic wand that deletes dirt instantly. You still need to manage your expectations. If you have years of hard water buildup or deep stains, you might still need to get in there with a little bit of manual hand scrubbing to finish the job. A big mistake people make is pressing down too hard on the tool. You actually want to let the brush spin naturally. If you force it into the surface, you just slow the motor down and put extra stress on the internal gears. Speaking of the motor, durability is something to watch out for. If you use it heavily every single day, the handle or the motor might show some wear after several months. It is a helper tool, not a professional industrial machine. But for the average person who just wants to stop hating bathroom day, it makes a massive difference. You get through the chores faster and you do not feel like you just finished a marathon when you are done. It is about working smarter instead of grinding away with a sponge and a prayer. This device takes the friction out of deep cleaning. It turns a massive weekend project into something you can handle in a few minutes after work. You can move from the bathroom to the kitchen without missing a beat. It is versatile enough to handle grease on the stove or soap scum in the shower. Just remember to treat the tool with a bit of care. Let the motor do the spinning for you. If you treat it as a companion to your cleaning supplies, it really earns its place in the closet. Gone are the days of the toothbrush and the sore shoulders. You deserve to get your time back and keep your joints feeling good while your house stays sparkling.